So we're going to blow an egg to decorate Easter eggs that will last. So I'm using this little screw with a very pointy tip. And I went back and forth until I punctured into the egg on one side, making a small hole on one side and the other. And then I'm using this toothpick and sticking it down in there to break the yolk. I've done a lot of these. You're going to hold your egg over the bowl and blow. And that's how you do it. Now that the egg is blown out, I'm going to clean it off. I'm running it under hot water and filling the hole. And blowing it out. You can also put it in a low oven for about 10 minutes. I'm getting ready to do an Easter egg dyeing trial. I've never done this before. I blew the inner contents, the yolks and the whites, out of 6 eggs. And I have nail polish and I have cold water. So I'm going to pour the nail polish onto the water and I'm going to use 3 colors. And then I will dip the egg in and hopefully we will get a marbling technique. Let's try. Oh, that one's pretty. Silver sparkles. I'm going to add a little extra, this pink. I don't really polish my nails anymore. This polish is really old. Mostly I use the Color Street 100% nail polish stickers, so I don't use nail polish anymore. So this is a perfect way of using it. All right, let's get the egg. Try again. It's a little more difficult because of the shape of the egg, but it's just sticking right to it. Wow, pretty cool. I think the important thing is maybe you don't want to put too many colors.